Smart Tutorials.
Make a peacock.
Materials: felt, foam sheet, scissors, stuffing, glue, and needle and thread. Step 1. Download and print out the pattern. Link is provided on this slide and will be in the YouTube description box below.
Step 2. Cut out pattern pieces and attach to corresponding felt or foam sheets. The larger pieces can be pinned down, but don't pin to the foam, it makes a dent. Step 3. Cut out peacock parts. Step 4. Glue the felt design pieces to the foam tail. Glue the stripes to the headpiece, one on each side. Glue the eyes and wings to the peacock body. Make sure that the body pieces face each other and let everything dry, at least an hour. Step 5. Sew the two peacock body sides together. Tuck in the headpiece and feet and sew in place. Leave a gap for putting in the stuffing. Important! Don't sew these two pieces together, the 1 and the 2 for the tail. Sew down along this line and keep the two tab pieces loose. They're for gluing the tail on in place. Step 6. Poke in the stuffing. You can use a pencil to push it in, especially in the neck. Don't worry if you can't fill up the head area, it can be flat. After you finish stuffing the body, sew the opening closed. Glue on the beak, front, and back. Step 7. Attach the tail. 1. Slide the two tab pieces through the slot in the tail. 2. Fold the two blue tabs down and glue to the tail surface. 3. Glue the wing brace over the blue tabs. 4. Secure the wing brace with paper clips and let dry. Step 8. After letting dry for several hours, remove the paper clips. Now you have your full peacock.
Additional resources: NYC Well, nycwell.cityofnewyork.us, 1-888-692-9355, or text WELL, WELL, to 65173. Safe Horizon, safehorizon.org, 1-800-621-4673. Thank you for watching. Please visit smartuniversity.org for more information on our programs, to donate, or follow us on other social media platforms.